Oh, requiring the fact that I do not fall over.
Yeah, we got married with
So cool. I'm out the ocean now. Oh!
So how's this gonna go?
So you both stand up?
Yep.
Go on then. What's the matter, Dan? Losing balance?
We have good balance, sir. I have good balance.
Right.
Ben actually put in a bit of effort for once.
Yeah.
Hey, if you use Discord, don't click off please, because I have something important to tell. If you enjoy my content, do you want to see sneak peeks of upcoming videos, do you want to have really cool custom roles, do you want to be in a meme reaction video by just sending funny stuff, then join the Benny Boy Discord server. We have a few rules, but the main one is just don't be a git. Anyway, thanks for watching this advert. The link to the server is in the description of this video.